Tensions erupted at Senapati town last night following reports of a standoff between the Assam Rifles and the Naga Army near the Oklong Brigade headquarters, where Naga Army has set up a camp. According to sources, the unrest was triggered after information allegedly spread that security forces were planning to conduct an operation at a Naga Army camp in Oklong village. At around 9 p.m., irate locals gathered at Senapati town and reportedly marched towards the Assam Rifles Company operating base at Naga Tafo, demanding that the security force withdraw from the Oklong area. During the protests, a parked Alto car outside the COB gate was set ablaze, while a nearby waiting shed was also torched by the mob. Sources said the situation initially appeared to ease after reports emerged that the Assam Rifles had withdrawn from Oklong. However, while security personnel were returning, some protesters allegedly overturned an Assam Rifles truck and set two Assam Rifles gypsy vehicles on fire. Security forces reportedly fired tear gas shells to disperse the crowd and restore order. Meanwhile, pro-defense Manipur has issued a statement regarding the incident. In the statement, it is maintained that acting on credible intelligence inputs regarding the movement of armed cadres and possible violations of ceasefire ground rules, Assam Rifles launched area domination and search operations in the general area of Makuilongdi village in Senapati. It also maintained that despite communication with the village authorities to avoid escalation and subsequent withdrawal of columns, a violent mob attacked the Assam Rifles camp, indulging in stone pelting, arson and vandalism. It further informed that security forces deployed in the area exercised minimum restraint while dispersing the crowd, and the situation was brought under control.